Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to automate tasks with shortcuts in iOS 18. So just tap on my shortcuts button on iPhone iOS 18 and make sure you will have to update your software on latest version, which is 18.1.1, and you will just see this option in shortcuts in automation. So just tap on it and you can make shortcuts run automatically. Just tap to new automation, and I will example to teach you just like this charger. When my iPhone connects to power, just tap on it and run after confirmation. Just tap on it, and from here you can just select this speak text. So just select it, and from here you can just tab on this text icon, and from here you can just add your own text, like when your phone is connected to your charger. So like, yes, it's connected. So I will just tap on this done button and it is set. Now I will just connect my charger and you will just check my iPhone screen. Here, iPhone is connected. So this is how to use shortcuts automation on iOS 18. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.